Hi, I'm Lalitha and welcome to Pillai Center Practice. There are two eclipses coming up and they are moon eclipses, so lunar eclipses, and I want to tell you what to do and what that means for you. So this video is about the June 5th eclipse, so I will make another one for July. Right now I just want to give you the guidelines for eclipses and what this particular one means for you. First of all, the mind and the moon are very much connected. So it's so important during a lunar eclipse to meditate. The meditation you do, whether you're in a program at Pillai Center or you're new to meditation, you can use a mantra, which I will give you. And you can chant this mantra 27 times, 54, or 108, which is usually better. 1008 is just you start seeing huge changes in your consciousness, and I recommend that if you have the time. So the mantra is Om Chandraya Namaha. Om Chandraya Namaha. Chandra means moon in Sanskrit. So the eclipse on the moon means that the mind can be affected and that will influence your relationships. But at the same time, it's a great time for meditation. So it's a good time to stay indoors because you don't want the radiations from these astronomical events really have a physiological impact, and of course psychological, also emotional. So the consciousness is really affected, but this particular eclipse is not really the worst. A bad eclipse, very dangerous, was in December last year, 2019, and that was really a lot of what we're experiencing today depended on that eclipse. So this is not a dangerous eclipse, but you need to do something about it. Stay indoors, eat light, and also chant a mantra or practice your favorite meditation. If you're in a program, that's also totally fine. All right, so the hours are, it's afternoon in New York City. Please check your time zone. I don't give all the timings anymore because people got confused. So please check in your time zone. Again, on the East Coast, it's between 2 and 5 p.m. approximately. And so please check your hours. If that's your time, you go to sleep, that's okay. So you don't have to do much. But if it's your dinner time or your lunch time or breakfast, you're waking up. So you want to be aware of this. Don't use lunar eclipses or solar eclipses for powerful action. So take your time and stay more conservative, do routine work. All right, thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Stay tuned for the next eclipse in July and I will talk soon about it.